heartbreaking, and right now police are calling this an act of domestic terrorism, and we want to break down here what we know so far. Police say a man opened fire at Pulse nightclub in Orlando at about 2 o'clock this morning. That would be 11 p.m. last night, our time. The shooter was armed with an assault type rifle, a handgun, and what they're also calling a suspicious device. Once officers arrived on scene, they got into a gun battle with the shooter outside the club. He then went back inside and he took hostages. Once the SWAT team arrived, they went inside. They got into another gun battle with that man and they killed him. We're also hearing that one officer was shot, but his helmet protected him. Police say about 20 people have died. Their bodies are still inside the club right now. 42 people are hurt and they are being treated at a local hospital.
At 6:02, the focus now, at least a big part of this investigation, is on what they believe is the gunman's vehicle. We're taking a